Hi and welcome to another video from Quattro Tech Cars. Here today we present you this really pretty ŠKODA Karoq. So it's the 1.6 TDI with the DSG gearbox, finished in petrol blue. A few great features on this car over and above the SEL specification. It's got the full leather, it's got heated front and rear seats, it's got the LED interior light pack and also the factory full leather instead of the Alcantara. This particular car's only had one owner from new. It's got a great service history as we listed in the advert. We've just carried out its fourth service as well, including the cam belt and the water pump change, as this was due on mileage. So if we start off in the boot area, hopefully you can see in really good condition. It's not had a heavy life at all. Great size boot in the Karoq. The other fantastic feature with these is these rear seats. So as you can see, they're individual seats that will flip up. So the backrest will flip down, the entire seat will flip up, and it will also completely remove, which we'll show you in the still images. They're also on a bench, so they will slide forwards and backwards as well. A few other features, we've got these really useful bag hooks. They'll slide along, lock into place. So you've got those two on each side. Got a 12-volt socket just there. Another simply clever feature, as they call them for ŠKODA, is the interior boot light is actually a rechargeable torch, which is also magnetic. So a great feature from ŠKODA, really clever. Also, the pass shelf, as you'll see here, is actually a netting rather than actual fixed shelf. So it just means any higher loads you can put in, it will flex up. So again, and that will just simply unclip from there and there to remove and roll up rather than to store it away anywhere if you didn't want to use it. Really well thought out car. Nice LED lighting just there. So as we come through to the interior, as mentioned, we've got the full black leather, that really nice contrast white stitching, which again, as you can see, is in fantastic condition. No rips or tears, not being a smoker's car, just a really well cared for interior. As I also mentioned, we've got the heated rear seats, so you just put those on there like that. And then also you've got a table in the rear for the passengers with a little cup holder on the side. Again, same on both sides, just there. Again, roof lining, again, important to note, all in really good condition. At the top corner there, that's just the seat belt for the middle seat. So it means it's not in the way all the time, but when you need to use it, you just simply plug it in. This car's also got the LED interior light pack, which we'll start to see now. You can see the nice ŠKODA puddle light just there. And we've set it to green, but we'll show you the different colour choice in a minute. But here you've got the heated folding mirrors. And again, just before you step inside, full black leather in the front. So if we step inside the cabin, we've got the automatic lights and wipers just there. Keyless start there. The LED lighting comes across as a continuation there. We've also got the cruise control just on the end of the indicator stalk just there. And we've got this nice big infotainment system. So we've got a DAB digital radio. Media, if we select that there, we can see various different sources you can choose from there. Bluetooth, built-in navigation just there. We've also got the app connect. So this gives you things like Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. So great for things like audio streaming, any Google Maps, etc. A few other features. So we've got the lighting, as we mentioned. So if we go into background lighting there, if I just come and pan out a bit there, you can hopefully start to see the colour changing on there. So you really bespoke how the interior. So at night time, the car really comes alive with the lighting. We'll leave it on the good traditional ŠKODA green. Couple of things as well, we've also got the various different modes which the car can come with, so you can change that from eco, normal, sport and individual. And if we just click change on the individual, you can see which elements you can bespoke. So the steering, drive, the lighting, the air conditioning. We've got parking system front and rear as well, and if we just put the car manually into reverse, you'll see we've got a reversing camera. As we come down here, we've got the dual zone climate control with heated front seats as well as the rear seats. Stop start, the parking system which we've mentioned, then some hazard warnings locking just there. DSG gearbox, then skid traction control, normal handbrake, automatic handbrake there in the modes we've just gone through. And underneath there we've got the USB and 12 volt socket, And underneath here we've got the both sets of keys. This is actually really clever as well, so you can actually have the tray there, where you can lift it up, turn it over. It can be cup holders as well, and you just simply put that back into the front or the back, whichever you choose. Again, the armrest can go down there, slide along, and be on a ratchet as well. And then we've got the glove box, which has got all the manuals in there as well, and the SD card slots there. And again, some extra storage just up there as well. So hopefully you can see this Karoq's been kept in great condition, and both mechanically and cosmetically really well looked after. All cars mechanically checked through Quattrotech, 6 months warranty, 6 months roadside assistance. Please do get in touch so we can talk through the car in more detail, or to arrange an appointment or test drive. Thanks for watching.